Today we're making our beautiful snow angel cookies with your Winter Wonder kit. Here we're going to make a few designs that I'm going to show you, which are very simple. First, you do need to bake your cookies and cool them and prep your royal icing bags. Use all the videos in your online resources as well as your kit to get all of the recipes. The first angel I'm going to show you is a beautiful angel using sugar wings and then making a wreath. First, you're going to outline your wings first with your royal icing. And this is a wet on wet method, meaning that once you finish this, you're going to keep your royal icing wet, not let it dry, and then dip it into some sugar. So just regular sugar, go ahead and very easily tap, not too hard, not to press the royal icing, but to tap the sugar onto those wings. And what it makes is this beautiful wings that shine. Go ahead and let this dry for a few minutes, and then now you can outline the rest of your angel with just the royal icing. Again, this is another technique with the wet on wet. After you outline and fill in your angel, it's almost like coloring. Once you outline, you have that nice barrier so that the royal icing doesn't drip off to the sides of the cookie. Just fill it in as if you're going to color. Everyone does it differently. And now we're going to use our green royal icing. You can use a toothpick to smooth it out. So take your green royal icing, just a small little cut to make the little hole so that you can make these little dots in a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then taking a toothpick, you're going to just drag it through, and what it does is it makes a beautiful wreath. And while that's wet, go ahead and add your little holly berries. So easy. And here I'm doing a little halo wreath, again dragging it through, and then adding a few holly berries. Our next design is filling the entire angel with the royal icing. We're not doing the sugar wings here. We're just filling the entire angel and again coloring it and just filling it all in, using a toothpick to smooth it all out. You want your royal icing to be like a thick syrup texture. Here I am making a wreath garland. The best part is you get to design your angel any way you want to. I'm just showing you a few designs. Here I'm using the snowflakes that are in your kit and just adding them as a beautiful halo. And at the end, after I did let it dry, I added some wings. Here I'm going to show you how once you let your angels dry, you can actually write letters, words, and make them almost like gift tags and personalized cookies. How fun is that? And here is an array of all of the angels along with the peppermint candy cookies that are also in your kit. We hope you have a lot of fun. If you haven't gotten the kit yet, go ahead and go to kidsbakingclub.com and we will send it to you ASAP. Happy holidays.